All right. Explain to me what's going on, man.
Well, we're putting threads on a pipe so we can screw her into something. Screw it right. Yes, sir.
So you're just ratcheting?
Yeah, we're making the teeth
Okay.
marks in here.
All right.
Make it look like it wasn't fabbed together by somebody that didn't know their names.
So you just need a vise and
Vise and some muscles.
a
Ratchet, whatever this is. A ratchet threader.
okay. How do you know how many turns you got to do?
Well, there's many different ways. You can count and see how many threads you need to screw into.
Okay.
You can put it there. You can usually just go about half an inch for these anyway. All
Okay.
depends on what you're threading. Everything's got different depths to it, as far as I know. They don't make anything the same these days.
So how many times have you messed up?
Have I messed up?
Yeah. I mean, like, you know, wrong threads or whatever.
Too many.
Too many?
Too many to count.
Okay. So that's a good one?
That's pretty good.
All right.
Yeah, that's about all you can do. See if it's screwed.
Okay.
I don't want to have too much threads on there so they can get your measurement from right inside there. How many threads it has. You put tape measure in there.
Yeah.
It's got. Or you just do it 20,000 times and then you'll just basically know at the end of the day.
There you go.
Looks like it works to me.
All right. Thank you, sir.